Hello people, in this video we are going to learn about the topic of wind energy. So let's begin with its introduction. Now, a wind energy is a very renewable energy which is harnessed from the power of wind to generate electricity. Now, generally we use large wind turbines which are propeller-like structures for converting the kinetic energy from the wind into the mechanical energy, which will be further converted into our electrical energy. Now, let's see how these wind turbines work. Now, there are mainly three main steps to make the wind turbines work. The first one is the wind capture, where the blades of the wind turbine, which are continuously rotating, are able to capture the kinetic energy of the wind as it blows through the blades. Next is the rotation to mechanical energy. Now the blade when rotates, it is the rotation is transferred to a shaft which is connected to the gearbox inside the wind turbine, which increases the rotational speed of the shaft, and then it is used to drive a generator which is placed inside it. Now here the final step is of energy electricity generation. Now here the mechanical energy which we get from the gearbox is converted into electrical energy, which is then left on to the power grids for consumers to use. Next we will see what are the advantages of wind energy. Now first one is that it is very renewable and sustainable. Now wind energy is a very renewable source, which means it will not be deprived of anything in further many years to come. Next one is it's clean and environment friendly. Now, wind energy is a part of the natural resources which you get from the nature, which means it is very environment friendly and does not cause any pollution. Cost effectiveness means that the rate of building windmills and wind energy structures have become less in the upcoming years, and also since it is very environment friendly, people are investing more on it. Next is of job creation. Now for harnessing this wind energy, as we as we have discussed earlier, we need many shafts, we need wind blades, we need gearboxes, we need generators, and these parts are made by manufacturers, which in turn creates more jobs for the people. Next are some disadvantages. Now, intermittency. Now, it means that wind is not always available 24 by 7. Now, it sometimes blows at very fast speed or sometimes it blows at very low speed, which is not able to get converted into electricity. Next is the visual impact. Now, visually impacting in the sense when it is constructed on some areas which is having scenic beauty or some historical significance. Next is the noise pollution. Now, wind turbines can create a lot of noise when they are moving and generating the power, and it is not easily hearable when you are too far away. You need to be at very close distance to hear the noise, and it can also disturb the people who are living near that areas, particularly at night times. Now, next is some environment impact of wind farms. First one is wildlife impact. Now, it can poses some danger to especially the birds which are flying in the sky, as they can come in contact with the wind blades. Next one is habitat fragmentation. Now, the construction of a wind farm is not so easy. You need to have a great location at a great height so that you are able to get as much wind energy as possible to generate it into electricity, which can also means that the animals in that area should move away from that location. Next is land use. Now, constructing wind farms require a lot and lot of land. We are speaking acres, hectares, and more. Now, this can impact the agriculture environment around that area, as the agriculture farms will have to get once destroyed. You have to convert them into land for the construction. Some technological technological advancements in wind energy in the further years. There has been a lot of improvements, such as in the blade design, where it has where the blades have been designed in such a way that it is increasing the efficiency as well as reducing the noise in the area. Next is of smart grid integration. Smart grid in the sense you are managing the energy flow more efficiently, which means better control over the generation of electricity which is getting generated from the turbines. Next is offshore wind technology. Now, offshore wind technology in the sense these windmills are now generally being constructed near the coastal areas where there is a lot of wind energy flowing throughout the days, which can increase further generation of electricity. Next is the global wind energy capacity and growth. Now, this is the capacity and growth from year to year. Now, if you see the data of 2015, the global energy wind capacity was 433, which has now been upgraded to 837, and it will be increasing in the upcoming years. Next one and the final part of this video is the conclusion and future outlook. We know wind energy is a very rapid growing renewable source which has a lot of advantages, and this energy consumption will be increasing in the further years as the population of a country does not remain the same in a year. It keeps increasing and increasing, which also makes to understand that there will be an increase in the energy generation required. So that is the end of the video, people. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.